Hello, thanks so much for coming by today. I really do appreciate it. Today we're going to be doing the upper cheek exercise of Exercise Along With Me Series 6. Now the whole exercise set is here. It is in the playlist and you can go to that to learn the exercises all together and then start the program, start the routine. And I'll talk about that with you in a moment. So this exercise is a little bit difficult and people have found this quite difficult, this exercise. So in Exercise Along With Me Series 1, the cheek exercise, we squeeze and squeeze out. But in this exercise, it's exactly the same hand placement, but we squeeze our muscle cheeks or our cheek muscles inwards or downwards. So what we have to do with this is we do our normal finger placement, okay? But with this, we just put our ring fingers over the lip so that we don't exacerbate those wrinkles any further and place resistance on the lip as well. Then what we do is we make an O shape and then we squeeze our cheeks together. So with the exercise along with Series 1, we squeeze and out. You see the difference? With Exercise Along With Me Series 6, we squeeze in. Okay, so we do this by using the levitator muscles, okay? So these are the muscles here. We'll bring Dorian out again. He's a good star on our channel, isn't he, Dorian? So we use these muscles here, which are called, I'll bring them over a bit more. We call this muscle the levitator muscles. And these are the muscles that we use to squeeze inwards and upwards, okay? We'll try that again. It is, some people do find it challenging, but once you get the hang of it, it's fine, okay? So when you do this, place your fingers firmly on your eyes around the crow's feet area. And as I do it, you can see my nasal muscles moving up and down. Now this is a really good exercise to lift up your cheeks up above here. Okay, so it really strengthens this area of your face. And that's what we want. We want the cheeks to sit up nicely. We want the cheeks to sit up here, but we also want the cheeks to sit up here. Okay, we want this to be nice and plump and round as well. So that's what this exercise is actually about, is to help this area lift and become plump. I hope it's something that you are able to work on. And, you know, often these exercises, you do need to work on them. It's not something that you're just going to do and go, oh, yeah, this is, I can do it. Because I do get a lot of comments going, I can't do this, this is pointless, I can't do it. And what I would really encourage you to do is to work at it, because this is not a program that you just do one exercise and it changes your face, which is, no program does that, whether it's facial yoga or Facerobics or whatever it is. This is a program that you have to think about, study and work with if you want to get the results. Now I've been doing this for 10, 11 years now, and I am thrilled with my results that I've got. And there are people in the gym that have been doing, you know, for 5 years and they just look amazing. So when you get the exercise right, when you work on the exercise, even if it's a little bit hard, once you get it right, you'll be on your way with being able to do the exercises. Okay? So this exercise, I do understand it is a little bit challenging, but it'll be worth it once you start using it properly and doing it properly. So please do remember to subscribe to the video, because when you do, you get these updates that help you with the program and help you to follow the program correctly. So I hope that's something that you do, that you just subscribe to the channel and it will help you. Also, please do have a look at my premium site, my Facerobics premium site. The URL is going across the video right now, and if you pop that URL into your browser, it will take you to the site and you can have a look to see whether it's something you're interested in. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. You have a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you next time. Bye.